Hey guys, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sosé here, back again with another video. In today's video we're gonna be trying on a headband wig. I'm so excited to film this video because I've been watching so many headband wig reviews and I'm gonna do my own so you guys will see. I love headband wigs because they're so easy to put on and vamos and go. So I basically just love it. I will throw it on when I'm going to the gym. I'll throw it on if I'm going to like the grocery store, and it's just easy. So I'll be using Eunice hair, or sorry, I think it's Eunice. I don't know how you guys say Eunice, Eunice. I'll be using Eunice hair for this hairstyle, and it's pretty good. It's just gonna be a short video because it's a headband wig. So let's see what's in the box. Okay guys, so this is how the box looks. I already picked, I already looked inside. That's why this thing has, you know, destroyed, but this is what it comes with. Let's pretend that we're just unboxing it for YouTube. So let's open the box and you can see the hair, and then it comes with two headbands. I really like this one. It's so nice. And then it comes with this. I don't know. It comes with this too. I don't know what this is. I think it's a, I don't know. What is this? You can probably put it on the hair. I don't know what it is. And then it comes with this drawstring bag. Let's see, what is this? I've actually not seen what's inside this one, so we're actually for real unboxing this one. I really hope it's like a sky. It is! Yay! Ooh. I can literally just put this thing. Sorry guys, I'm a villager. I can literally just put this thing like this and go. Guys, I had to go adjust the camera because I was pretty sure my head wasn't showing completely. I hope it is now. Anyways, yeah, this cannot wait. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the rest of the lashes. This is not really my type of lashes because it's too thick, but it comes with lashes as well. It comes with what's in this? Nail wrap. Okay, but they did not give us the nail. And then it comes with a deluxe wig cap. I'm wearing one underneath my bonnet already, so I don't need that right now. But yeah, I'm so excited for this one. I'm definitely gonna be using it to lay down when I like glue my wigs and stuff. So let's try on the wig. This is what it comes with. So is this strap that you can just close securely, and yeah, so let me take off my bonnet. It also comes with combs to secure down your hair and some like adjustable stuff. I'll tell you guys already, this is already like small for me, so I'm not gonna need the combs or the elastic stuff. And I'm just gonna take this hair out of the way so I can easily clip the back. I'm gonna use this to just tie it. I'm just gonna clip it right there. You can decide to straighten it out if you would like, but I'm just not gonna do that because this is meant to be a quick and easy hairstyle to just go. So yeah, so this is how it looks if you just want to maybe go to the gym. You can just put it on like this and go to the gym. You might pack it up if you want. If you want an everyday like ways, if you want to do your baby hairs, you can decide to push it back a little bit like that. And I'm gonna go do my baby hairs real quick and come back. Okay guys, so I've done my baby hairs, as you guys can see. I'm gonna try on quickly the headbands that they gave me. So this is the first headband that they gave me. These crisscross things, they're so hard to figure out. Okay guys, so this is the first headband. It's super cute, I believe. And then I'm gonna try on the second headband. This is probably going to be my gym headband. And I really like the headbands because you can use them over again. You can use it with your natural hair. You can use it with braids. You can use it with anything. So thank you for adding this to the box. Unice hair. So yeah, let's try the second one. This one is my favorite. I like the color. I like the patterns on it. It's really cute. Yeah, this probably looks better with my top. All right, pros and cons. Pros first, I love that this hairstyle is easy to go. You can literally just put it on. It was my choice to do baby hairs, but you don't have to do baby hairs. The hair is also straight, so I literally do not have to straighten the hair. It's also really flat, so I also don't have to run a hot iron comb on it. So it's easy to just go. If you're in a hurry, this is also like a great back to school hairstyle. So I would say kudos to that for this one. Cons, I do not like the fact that it's not thick enough. Yeah, it's flat, it's good, but like there's a way to just give it more volume, you know. I feel like it would be better if it's like a little bit thicker. But yeah, that's Unice's hair. I hope I'm saying it right, Sha, but that's the hairstyle. This is what it looks like. I love the color too, so that's another pro. Also, if you like this hair, all the links will be in the description box so you can purchase. And yeah, I like it. New gym hair alerts. This is my gym hair. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button for more hair videos, okay? Because I'm gonna be shooting them at you guys. Stay tuned for other content by me as well. Music content will be coming soon, and other ones, fashion too, so get ready. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.